Hey there, today I'm going to give you a complete review of how to use Keeper app for bookkeeping, a step-by-step guide. So let's get started. Keeper app is a simple, cloud-based bookkeeping tool designed for small businesses and freelancers. It helps you track expenses, create invoices, manage taxes, and generate reports. Everything stays in one clean dashboard, making bookkeeping less stressful and a lot more organized. The best part is, Keeper app is very beginner-friendly. You can sign up in minutes, verify your account, and start working right away. This is great because you don't need technical skills. Connecting your bank accounts is smooth, so your transactions sync automatically. The platform also organizes your expenses, keeps your invoices tracked, and even lets you upload receipts. Another big advantage is the reporting section. It shows profit and loss, cash flow, and balance sheets with just one click. The automation features like recurring invoices and recurring expenses save a lot of time. Overall, it feels modern, clean, and efficient, but there are a few downsides. Some banks may take longer to sync, which can delay your transaction imports. Customization is available, but it's not as advanced as full accounting software. The tax settings can feel confusing for complete beginners. And if you manage very large businesses or complex financial structures, Keeper app might feel a bit limited compared to pro-level tools. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.